Hey there, second graders. I am Mr. Schaefer, and I'm going to be your second grade teacher this year. Uh, you know, I'm really glad that we're having school this year, uh, because it's hard to be a teacher without you guys here. So it makes it very unfun. So I'm really looking forward to having you guys back and back here in the classroom. It's going to be a great year. I'm extremely excited to see all of you. I wanted you guys to see me in my mask, so you kind of knew what to expect. I kind of look like a bank robber, but I'm not, promise. But yeah, so this is me in my mask. I don't want you to come in be afraid or anything. Or I know it's really hard to see if I'm smiling or not, but you can kind of tell by my eyes and things like that. But I've got about 10 different masks now, and I'll be wearing my favorite one the first day of school, so I can't wait to see your guys' favorite masks either. So, hey, really looking forward to seeing you. Um, let's go ahead and see without the mask. Hey, look at that. Now you can see a smile. Okay? Anyway, hey, come in raring to go. Man, very short time, and we are all going to be here ready to go. All right, so get ready. I'm excited. You get excited. All right, guys.